On your iPhone, Reset Face ID may appear as read-only, which means some restrictions are enabled. First, I recommend checking stolen device protection and turning it off. Under the Face ID and Passcode settings, scroll a little more and tap on Stolen Device Protection. Then turn off the toggle to remove this security. After that, your device will allow you to reset Face ID. As you can see, the Reset Face ID option is now available. That's it. If it's still grayed out, I recommend force restarting the device. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then quickly press and release the volume down button. After that, press and hold the power button until the Apple logo appears on the screen. Now, enter your lock screen passcode and check if the issue is fixed. Also, make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS version. Open the Settings app, go to General, and tap on Software Update to automatically fix any internal software bugs. Sometimes, company or school profiles can restrict Face ID. To check and verify whether your iPhone is locked or restricted, go to Settings and tap on General. Then scroll a little and tap on VPN and Device Management. If a profile exists, Face ID controls may be locked. You'll need admin permission to change it. If nothing works, you'll need to diagnose a Face ID hardware issue. If the true depth camera isn't working, Face ID is automatically disabled. Remove any screen protector or thick case, and clean the front camera area. If it's still not working, contact Apple support. If your device is under warranty, you may be eligible for a free repair or replacement. Check your device warranty by going to Settings, then tap on General and About. Scroll to Warranty to check the hardware service coverage and expiration date. Without wasting more time or risking your warranty, book an appointment at the Apple Genius Bar. That's it. If you have any questions, then comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for new free tech guide video updates.